So this is a little like a little mirror that's aiming at you all the time, regardless which way you're looking at it. My name is Xiaoli. I'm a LiDAR instrument scientist and also work on other laser instruments. The instrument is a Laser Retroreflective Arrays. It's a small retroreflectors mounted on a shell, on aluminum shell, support shell. It retroreflects laser light back to where it came from. The purpose is to, number one, to have a fiducial marker, a precise fiducial marker on the lander so that we know exactly where that is on the lunar surface. It serves as a landmark for future missions if you want to go back and land it there. When you shine laser on it, it reflects right back at you. So it doesn't matter which way you're looking at it. And so that will help us to range from orbit to the lander as it passes overhead. Commercial lunar payload services, NASA and American companies work together.